You so beautiful and I guess you already know that. I gotta take out this do-rag. You so hot when you step in the room, move back. I gotta do what I do best. I say you out, can I hold back? I tell my mom I'm bringing you back. Then I lost your number, how'd I do that? In 3 days, then we hanging out. Put my head out the window, I'm hanging out. I call my bro just to help me out. Process everything, cause I hope I'm not tripping out.
Hey Familia, what's poppin'? What's good? What's Gucci? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, guys, the area looks a bit different because today we are on YouTube Cribs. Yeah, I just made that up. You're on YouTube Cribs. But if you're here for the first time, welcome to the Familia. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and check out my crib. This amazing apartment is based in Kensington. It is surrounded by lush green plants and mountains. This place evokes peace and tranquility. It's 18 minutes away from the airport and 5 minutes to Eastgate Shopping Centre and Maboneng. In other words, welcome to my birthday getaway apartment. This stylish and serene space boasts a patio perfect for chilling with friends and enjoying a braai while taking in the amazing skyline views. Welcome to my crib. This is the kitchen area featuring white cabinets paired with a wooden counter, creating a charming contrast. Now, I adore the simplicity of this space, especially the cozy dining setup, a perfect blend of simplicity and luxury. Now let's step into the bedroom, where the same captivating color contrast continues. Whites and a wooden headboard that are seamlessly blended with a touch of green, evoking a natural and tranquil ambiance. Let's head over to my Netflix and chill zone. Now the color scheme flows with the open floor plan, creating a warm and inviting living room area. Just imagine Friday movie nights with loved ones, nestled in my comfy Netflix corner. Now let's head over into the bathroom. So the black and white color scheme exudes simplicity with a touch of elegance. The highlight is spacious shower where you can dance, sing, and stretch your heart's content. Talk about chic and tranquil. This is the stylish and serene apartment. See its beauty by day, marvel at its splendor by night. How beautiful. So guys, I am going to be unboxing some of the gifts that I got. So let's start with this bag first. Valentine's is coming. Where is your boyfriend? So the first one is some chocolate decadence. Oh guys, English is a problem. How do you open this? Okay. Guys, why does chocolate have to be fancy? Like, bro, come on now. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at this. It's so good. Others are just, yeah. Okay, but let's close it up. It's a perfume and a watch. Oh, this smells nice. How pretty is this? It smells so good. Baby girl, you about to know. Your girl's about to smell expensive. Then I have this watch. Pretty cute. I love the color. Okay, that's that. And then I actually got these boots from Mr. Price for $280. I think it was on sale. I don't know. But I really loved it. So I got this. And yeah, it's very suitable for winter and autumn. I mean, we're about to hit autumn pretty soon. So this will come in pretty handy. And then I got some jewelry. I got this cute bracelet. It actually matches with my watch. And then, you know, I'm a Jesus girl, so I got this necklace with the cross on it. I really love it. It just resembles who I am as a Christian, as a child of God. And then I got this other necklace from Richyi as well with a really small cute pendant. Sorry, it's misbehaving. But yeah, guys, I think that's about it. I didn't bring everything else that I got, but thank you so much to everyone that made my birthday special, for all the gifts, the calls and messages. Te amo, muito beijinhos. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Good night. Bye.